Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on this look right here. I am using a few new products today. Very excited. If you want to see what they are, other than the one that I obviously mentioned in the title, please go ahead and keep watching. I'm so tired. Alright, priming my eyes, and I am using, again, my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC30. Okay. So today I am doing a look using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. This is in Dark Matter. Look at that. I did swatch some of these already. I did want to create something with this palette because these colors are more on the cooler side of things. And I usually do warm browns, warm anything. So we're gonna do this today. Still trying to remember what I decided I was gonna do. But I guess let's get started. I'm gonna first go in with this neutral brown right here. And we're gonna start by putting this in the crease. So far, it blends really nicely. I'm not seeing any patchiness. I am seeing an eyebrow hair that I don't want there. Yeah, so far, a really nice, cool-toned, neutral transition shade. So next, I'm going to go in with Potion. This olive green here. I'm gonna use the same brush. This is my Morphe B38. And we're just gonna layer this right underneath. This is a really nice green. I really like that. It's really pretty. Once again, I have no idea what exactly I'm creating here. I'm quite literally just winging it. I'm just gonna tap back in with that's such a weird name to call something. That's so hard to say on film. I'm gonna touch back in the crease area. Now, as far as this part goes, I'm gonna take Inside Job, this dark green, blue, deep blue green color, and I'm gonna take this on my R41 brush. And wow, these shadows don't play. Definitely not. Wow. I'm gonna take this M432, this flat brush right here, just to get a more precise line up top here. We're gonna do a cut crease. Even though it doesn't really matter at this point, because again, we're gonna cut it and I'm probably gonna have to go and do this again. But just for my own sanity, I like it. I like it a lot. I think I might not be the only one on this, but I just have that one eye that turns out better than the other one. It's pretty much a different shape than the other one. So, before I go and cut the crease, and go back over with Potion. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna cut the crease. Hello. Okay, this is done. So now I'm gonna take Inside Job, that really deep green, and I'm gonna do what I was doing earlier. Like I said, I was gonna know that I had to do. Redraw this line up top. What I'm gonna do now is take Potion. So we're gonna take Potion and tap it all along here. Okay, so that is blended out. So now what I'm gonna do is take Power Cut, this shimmer right here, and we're gonna put that in the middle. Dope. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back and forth and blend out these edges and okay, so one last time I'm gonna go over with and then on the edges here with Potion. I'm gonna do a bit of liner on my lash line just to fuse it all together, pretty much. So so that my lash line doesn't look crazy when I put lashes on. Before I move on to my face, I'm trying out the NARS Climax mascara. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I had a little bit of an Ulta haul and I bought this and I want to see what it looks like. Shit, I like this. Guys, it's a good mascara. It's an amazing mascara. I mean, technically, you could, if I wasn't such a lash slut and I didn't think it completed the look, I would totally just wear this. I'm impressed. I like it a lot. Now I'm gonna move on to my face, and it's literally nothing you guys haven't seen yet. So I'm going to skip ahead and I will be right back. I don't think there's anything I want to show you yet. Yeah, I'm using the Too Faced concealers, so I will be back to show you those. Alright, so my face is done. I am now going to go in with the Born This Way concealers. I have no idea if I picked my right shade. So we're gonna find out if I am gonna like fucking ruin this look or what. Let's hope I didn't mess up. I mean, this looks right. It looks like my Tarte Shape Tape color. I swatched the shade that I use in Tarte Shape Tape on the back of my hand and I tried to match this as best I could. So this looks pretty good to me. I like my concealer to be lighter than my foundation because again, I use it to highlight my features, my face. Blends out really nicely so far. I really like it. Yeah, it looks really nice. It's pretty full coverage, like that a lot. And this is in the shade Light Beige. This other one that I bought is an Almond, and it's real light. It's real light. Like I might use this on my nose specifically only, maybe on my forehead a little bit, but I would not use it under my eyes unless I'm really, really pale. Probably my pale shade. So let's do this. Now it's just kind of blended into my foundation, I feel like. That's how I feel about all my forehead highlighting, is that it just looks like my foundation. So I might just put a little of this right here. Okay. Yeah, looks fine. I mean, as of right now, I really like these two. I am a fan. I'm a fan. So on that note, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I will come back and show you guys the finished look. BRB. Alright guys, so this completes this look. I did my whole face, like I said. I don't know where I was going with that, but this is the final look that I've created using the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette. I had to think of which one it was. It is definitely very dark, dramatic, sultry eye, I would say. I did end up lining my waterline with the NYX Slide-On eye pencil. It just looked really weird without it. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Naked liquid lipstick over the NYX Mahogany lip liner, just to give it some definition, depth, dimension. But yeah, so this is the final look. I hope you guys really like it. I hope this tutorial video was helpful, enjoyable, halfway decent. I don't know, I get kind of witchy vibes from this too, so maybe it's because the palette is called Dark Magic. I don't know. Regardless, it is about to storm, so I am trying to not have all these lights on and potentially blow out my studio, so I'm gonna get out of here. But if you did like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and while you're over there, go ahead and click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Okay? Bye.